Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Changing the spark plugs on your Dodge Ram 1500 is a rewarding DIY task that can improve engine performance, fuel efficiency, and reduce emissions. Tools and materials needed. To start, gather the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a 5/8" spark plug socket, a ratchet with extensions, a swivel socket for hard-to-reach plugs, a 10mm socket for coil pack bolts, a flat blade screwdriver, dielectric grease, anti-seize compound, a torque wrench, and 16 new spark plugs, OEM recommended copper plugs like Champion or Inkei for the 5.7L Hemi. A magnetic spark plug socket is helpful for retrieving plugs from deep wells. Ensure you have a clean workspace to prevent debris from entering the engine. Preparation and safety. Before beginning, park your Dodge Ram 1500 on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool completely to avoid burns. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical issues. For easier access, remove the air intake hose and airbox on the passenger side by loosening clamps and unclipping the airbox lid. This provides better visibility and space to work on the spark plugs, especially on the passenger side. Accessing the spark plugs. The 5.7L Hemi has 8 ignition coils, each covering one spark plug, with additional plugs along the engine sides. Start by locating the coil packs, which are secured by 10mm bolts. Press the release tab on the coil pack connector, pull it off, and remove the bolts to lift the coil pack out, revealing the spark plug below. For side plugs, carefully disconnect the spark plug wires by twisting and pulling the boot. Label wires with tape to avoid mixing them up, as the ignition sequence is critical. Removing old spark plugs. Using the 5/8" spark plug socket with an extension and swivel, turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove each spark plug. Work slowly to avoid damaging the threads, as some plugs may be tight or seized. Inspect the old plugs for wear, such as corrosion or a worn electrode, which can indicate engine issues. Avoid letting dirt fall into the cylinder holes by cleaning the area around each plug before removal. Installing new spark plugs. Check the gap on your new spark plugs, typically 0.040 to 0.050 inches for the 5.7L Hemi, per your owner's manual. Apply a thin layer of anti-seize compound to the plug threads to ease future removal, and use dielectric grease inside the coil or wire boot to improve electrical contact. Thread each new plug by hand to avoid cross-threading, then tighten to 11 to 15 feet lbs using a torque wrench. Reinstall the coil packs or wires, ensuring they're securely connected. Final steps and testing. Reassemble any removed components, like the airbox and intake hose, and reconnect the battery. Start the engine to check for smooth operation. If it misfires or idles roughly, verify that all wires and coils are correctly connected. Test drive your Ram 1500 to confirm improved performance. Regular spark plug replacement every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your model, ensures optimal engine health and efficiency. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.